US President Donald Trump has announced plans to impose additional 50% tariff on Chinese imports if China does not withdraw its retaliatory 34% tariff on American goods. The American leader has given Beijing 24 hours to take back the tit-for-tat 34% tariff it announced on the United States last week. This escalation has raised concerns about a renewed trade war between the world's two largest economies. In response, China's Ministry of Commerce criticized the move as groundless and labeled it as unilateral bullying. The ministry defended its counterparts, stating they are meant to protect China's sovereignty, security, and development interests while maintaining international trade war, which it described as legitimate actions.
Now, Mr. Donald Trump, after coming into the power now as the second term of the US president, has taken a unilateral call and with a clear one mission, America first. And what he says, make America great again. If that be so, he sees that whatever as America we need to do in the American interest, I will do that interest. I believe when you are a part of a society or it's a global part, you cannot take a unilateral stand that I will do whatever is in my interest, ignoring others' interests, because you have to live and there has to be a coexistence. So that is the main reason why these all economies are now reacting. And across the globe, yesterday there was a huge fall in the market.
The US threat to escalate tariffs on China is a mistake on top of a mistake and once again exposes the blackmailing nature of the US. China will never accept this. If the US insists on its own way, China will fight to the end. If enforced, the combined tariffs could push total duties on Chinese imports above 100%, in some cases higher than the value of the goods themselves. Economists have warned this could drive up prices for American consumers, many of whom rely heavily on Chinese-made products. For more such informative videos, do follow Zee Business.